everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah and I would love to have you subscribed. All you have to do is click that red button down below and click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. So today's video is going to be another clean with me video. We're going to be doing some, I guess you would say, extreme cleaning throughout the house. Some areas of the house need some extreme cleaning and other areas aren't quite as messy. Like the living room here wasn't very messy, it just needed tidied up, and then I just wanted to vacuum the floor. But other areas like the kitchen and the boys' bedroom and my bedroom needed an extreme cleaning. I hope that you enjoy this cleaning video and that it can give you that cleaning motivation and inspiration, and you can clean right along with me. And I'll also have my cleaning playlist linked at the end of this video so that you can keep on cleaning. There's tons of cleaning motivation videos in that playlist. It's also linked on my main channel page. So I always post a cleaning video every Saturday morning, and you guys just really seem to enjoy being able to have that weekend cleaning motivation. I know for me, I usually like to tidy up the house Saturday morning just so that it's clean for the weekend. So I will continue to keep posting these cleaning videos on Saturday morning just because there's such a positive feedback on them. And I want you guys to let me know down in the comments, give your suggestions. What types of cleaning videos do you like to see? Do you like it when I clean the whole house, or do you like when I clean just one specific room? Do you wish I would do more organizing and decluttering? Just let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear. And I still keep getting questions about this cordless vacuum, even though I've mentioned it in quite a few other videos. But this cordless vacuum is linked in my Amazon storefront, and the link for my Amazon storefront is down in the video description box. And some of you don't know how to open up that description box. All you have to do is click show more underneath the video, like you'll be able to read a little bit of the description box, and then you have to click show more to see the rest of the description box. And then down in there will be all of my links, like all of my links for Grove and Simply Earth and for my Amazon storefront. As you saw there, I have my little helper helping me unload the dishwasher. Every time Owen hears me open up the dishwasher and start loading it up with dishes, even if I'm loading it up with dirty dishes, he comes running over thinking that he can help me unload the dishwasher. It's really cute, but now he's learned how to put the spoons and forks over in the drawer by himself, but he just throws them all in the drawer instead of putting them in their right spot. So you open up the drawer and spoons and forks, they're all just thrown in a pile on top, but it's okay. It's teaching him to be a helper. So I had quite the pile of dishes stacked up here, and I forgot to say at the beginning of the video that I filmed this cleaning video on a Monday, and it had been a really busy weekend with church and stuff, and we were going a few places, so the house was a mess. All these dishes were from over the weekend that I just didn't get time to wash. The day after I filmed this video, I was going to go get groceries, so I made sure to clean out the fridge so that it was ready to be stocked full of groceries. I hadn't gotten groceries in like 3 weeks, so we were in desperate need of some food. And I actually filmed a grocery haul from that shopping trip. I'll link that video down below. I uploaded that back on Thursday, I think. Like I said earlier, I was going to be going for groceries the next day, so I wanted to be sure and clean out a few of the cabinets in the kitchen that I keep food in. This cabinet just mainly needed to be wiped out, and then I also wanted to quickly organize my spice cabinet where I keep like spices and baking supplies, and then also our snack cabinet. And it's always a good idea to go through the areas where you keep food, like the fridge and the pantry, snack cabinet, all those kind of places. Go through them and clean them out, organize them before you go and get groceries, just so that you can see what you're out of and what you're going to need. I'm going to use these 7th generation disinfecting wipes to wipe down my sink, and these are just so nice to have on hand when you just need to quickly wipe down the sink in the toilet or the shower or wherever. And these are from Grove Collaborative, and that free spring set from Grove Collaborative that I've been talking a lot about in my videos, you can still get all of that for free with your first purchase from Grove. I can't talk today. With your first purchase from Grove, the link will be down below. Definitely go and check it out if you haven't ordered yet. A ton of you have taken advantage of that order so far. This past month people have ordered, like I said, I cannot talk. Oh my word. This past month, more people have ordered from my Grove link than ever before, because the spring set is just such an amazing deal to be able to get it for free. So definitely go and check the link down below to get yours. So like I said, the day I was filming this was on a Monday, so the day before on Sunday, I could not decide what to wear for church. It was just one of those days, and we were in a hurry too, so I tried on something, didn't want to wear it, would throw it on the floor or the bed or wherever. Such a bad habit to have, but I was just in a hurry. And also there was some clothes on my closet floor that needed hung up. Once I had our bedroom and bathroom clean, then I got out the cordless vacuum again and vacuumed the carpet in our bedroom, and I also vacuumed the floor in our bathroom as well. And then after that, I moved on to cleaning up the boys' playroom. And that is going to be it for today's cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Hopefully this video gave you that cleaning motivation and inspiration that you needed. And if you've got more cleaning to do, then you could just keep right on watching my cleaning videos. I will have my cleaning playlist linked at the end of this video, and you can also find it on my main channel page. It's called Cleaning Motivation. There's a ton of cleaning videos in there, so you can get plenty of cleaning done with all of that. And don't forget that I upload 3 days a week, Tuesday morning, Thursday morning, and Saturday morning. So I will see you in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!